AirPrint is an Apple technology that enables printing from iOS or OS X devices without installing any applications or drivers. With AirPrint, you can take advantage of driverless printing from Apple products to a Kyocera MFP on the same network.
Make sure that your Apple device is on the same wireless network as the Kyocera AirPrint-enabled MFP or printer you wish to print to. On your Apple device, view the page or document you want to print. Tap the arrow icon and tap the print icon. Select the device and number of copies, then press print.